Are you annoyed with the Microsoft Foundation Class 141 DLL failure blocking your code instructions? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's restore that vital system connection right now. Before we begin the walkthrough for Microsoft Foundation Class 141, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Microsoft Foundation Class 141, an extended Microsoft Foundation Class MFC runtime module for Visual Studio 2015-2022 that includes UI components introduced in later toolset revisions. It supports advanced dialog controls and modernized UI frameworks used by newer applications. If missing, programs may fail to launch with errors such as the application was unable to start correctly, UXE 0007B. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The professional protocol for this error is a fresh installation of Microsoft Visual C++. Navigate to the Microsoft site to download the Visual C++ redistributable packages for x86 and x64, then complete both installations. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Microsoft Foundation Class 141 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Microsoft Foundation Class 141 DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Microsoft Foundation Class 141. If you've regained access to Microsoft Foundation Class 141 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.